exponent x plus 3 exponent x equals 3 times. Now, 36 is the same as 9 times 4. Okay, so we are going to factorize 3 exponent x, and then we have 1 plus 1 equals, now 3 is the same as 3 exponent 1, 9 is the same as 3 exponent 2, 4 is the same as 2 exponent 2. Okay, all right, so we're going to have, okay, let's just maintain the 4. So you're going to have 3 exponent x times 2 equals 3 exponent 1 times 3 exponent 2 times 4. Alright, so let's divide here by 2, here by 2. So this cancels this. So 2, 1, 2, 2. So we are left with, okay, 3 exponent x equals 3 exponent 1 times 3 exponent 2 times 2. Alright, now let's apply the first law of indices here. So if you have a exponent m times a exponent c, we are going to have a exponent m plus c. So when the bases are the same and the sign in between the bases is multiplication, we add the exponent. We write one of the bases and then we add all the exponents. So we are going to have 3 exponent x equals 3 exponent 1 plus 2 times 2. Alright, so our equation becomes 3 exponent x equals 3 exponent 3 times 2. Alright, so you're going to have 3 exponent x equals 3 exponent 3 times 2. Alright, now let's divide here by 3 exponent 3 and here by 3 exponent 3 so that we can apply the quotient rule. So this and this will cancel, or you can still apply the quotient rule, okay? So we're going to have 3 exponent x over 3 exponent 3 equals, now we are left with 2 here. Alright, now let's apply the quotient rule. So a exponent b over a exponent c should give us a exponent b minus c. So our equation becomes 3 exponent x minus 3 equals, okay, equals 2. Now this base is not equal to this. So we are going to apply logarithm. So we say log 3 exponent x minus 3 equals log 2. Alright, now let's apply the logarithm definition. So log a exponent n base b should give us n log a base b. So we're going to have x minus 3 times log 3 equals log 2. Okay, so our equation becomes, alright, so let's divide here by log 3 and here by log 3. So this cancels this. So we are left with x minus 3 equals log 2 over log 3. Alright, now let's apply the change of base formula. So if you have log a over log b, this gives us log a base b. So our equation becomes, okay, x minus 3 equals log 2 base 3. So our final answer becomes x equals log 2 base 3 plus 3. Okay, so subscribe and share.